If you think all compact subwoofers are the same, think again. This is the Pioneer TS-WX140DA, a sleek, ultra-compact subwoofer packed with tech, power, and sound precision that transforms your daily drive into a concert on wheels. Let's get into the details that make this bass beast a standout. The TS-WX140DA delivers up to 170 watts of raw bass power, driven by an ultra-efficient Class D amplifier. That means powerful output without draining your battery or heating up your cabin. It's compact, but it roars. Engineered for tight spaces and tight punch. Perfect for clean, distortion-free bass that hits without overwhelming. This sub isn't just powerful, it's smartly built. The honeycomb structure gives the unit superior rigidity, reducing unwanted vibrations. Add in a urethane surround and an aramid fiber spider, and you get stability even at high excursion. Translation? Accurate, thumping bass that stays clean even when you crank it up. Want your sound your way? The built-in DSP chip offers 3 Pioneer tune modes: deep for rich low end, natural for balanced listening, and dynamic when you want that extra energy. One twist of the large precision knob, and you control how your bass feels. No tools, no head unit hassle. The curves aren't just for looks. They help disperse sound evenly, making your audio feel full and immersive. At just a few inches tall, it fits under seats, behind panels, or anywhere you need a stealthy setup. It's plug-and-play ready. Installation is a breeze even for first-timers. The Pioneer TS-WX140DA is proof that good things come in small, smart packages. With pro-level engineering, selectable sound modes, and a design that's as elegant as it is functional, it's built to give your car audio system a serious upgrade without taking over your space. If you're ready to feel your music without the bulk, this is the sub for you. Tap like, hit subscribe, and stay tuned for more audio gear that hits hard and fits smart.